What's going on? What's going on? Willpower here. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I want to elaborate something I keep on hearing from a lot of these shady investors, um, claiming that they pay their contractors. And yeah, you pay your contractors, but there's a big difference between paying your contractors and then paying them when you want and how much you want. There's a big difference. That's not paying your contractors. Let me give you a perfect example from my experience right now with a Shady Investor. This lady, we're not going to mention any names at the moment. So we completed $9,550 worth of work on a Wednesday. I sent out the email of the invoice, expecting the Friday's draw to get the payment. Friday rolls around, I'm on my way to go and pick it up, and she busts out that she's only paying $5,000 and that she doesn't know when she's gonna pay me the remaining balance because she's got to get draws and do the kitchen cabinets and I don't know this and that. Yet I see her on Instagram. She's got some other guys that are working, finishing up the house. Only common sense for me to ask myself, oh, if you got no money and you ain't paying me, how you paying these other guys? Are you gonna do the same thing to them that you're doing to me? This is how these investors get all shady. No worries, Willpower is here to help, and we're going to guide you so you don't become one of these shady investors. Considerate of other people. Pay your contractors. These guys got families. They got bills to pay just like you, just like me. So the next time you claim that you pay your contractors, check yourself. Make sure you really pay them. Because paying a different amount than what was stated in the contract and paying them weeks, months after the job was completed is not paying your contractors. Don't be shady. Yeah, so basically she blocked me from social media, doesn't reply to my emails, and now it's just a waiting game. But no worries, we're handling it. And with that being said, don't just hire help, build a team. Willpower, we're here to help.